All right. Remember, we have some new activities today. Our first one is rhyme production. That means you're producing some rhymes. I'll say the 2 words, you repeat the 2 words, and then you say 2 or 3 more words that rhyme, okay? I'll say some words that rhyme after. Yours don't have to match mine. I'm just giving you some ideas, okay? Cake, rake. Okay, maybe you said snake, take, make, fake. Okay, any of those are fine, and some of your own. If you came up with some nonsense words, that's okay too. You could have said vake or dake. That's okay too. Fix, 6. Okay, I'm giving you lots of time. Maybe you said mix, ticks, fix, 6, bix. Any of those work, okay? They don't have to be real words. Phone, cone. Maybe you said bone, alone, done, tone. Last one, hen, when. You might have thought of 10, den, men. Okay, those are a couple. Okay, now we're going to onset fluency. Remember, this is where I'm saying 2 words. You're repeating the 2 words when I do this, and then you're going to give me a thumbs up if those words start with the same sound, thumbs down if they do not start with the same sound. Dear den. Dear den, start with D. Safe rice. Thumbs down, they do not begin the same. Light, long. Light, long begin with L. Wait, wind. W. Past, dime. No, they do not begin the same. Okay, we're going to blend, and then you're going to repeat after me. Okay. K, a, n, can. D, and, dad. F, a, n, fan. M, at, mat. S, at, sat. Okay, good. We're isolating the medial sound. That's the sound in the middle, right up there. I'm going to say the word, come back to the middle. When I put my hand up here, you say that middle sound. Then I'll say that middle sound to make sure you got it correct, okay? Remember, that middle sound is going to be a vowel sound, like a, I, a, or okay? H, at, a. F, l, e. S, it, I. P, ot, a. K, ut, a. Very good. Okay, we're segmenting phonemes. Get those choppers out. I'm going to say the word and segment, and then I'll let you say the word and segment. Pretty much you're copying me, okay? Cut, cut. Hum, Sun, Fun, Nut, t. Okay, great job. We're going to add phonemes. I'm going to say the rhyme. You're going to repeat the rhyme. I'll say add the sound, and then together we'll say the word, okay? Ed, add ul to the beginning to make lead. Et, add wa to the beginning to make wet. En, add pa to the beginning to make pen. Egg, add ul to the beginning to make leg. Et, add s to the beginning to make set. Good. Now we're going to delete part of it. We have the word hid. You say hid. Without ha, what's left? Id. Lip, lip. Without ul, what's left? Ip. Sit, sit. Without s, what's left? It. Fig. Without f, what's left? Ig. Tim. Without t, what's left? Im. Very good. Okay, now we're substituting phonemes. That's when I take it and change it with another one. We have the word hid. Change h to ul. What's the word? Lid. We have the word lid. Change ul to duh. What's the word? Did. We have the word did. Change duh to ka. And what's the word? Kid. We have the word kid. Change ka to ba. And what's the word? Bid. We have the word bid. Change ba to ha. And what's the word? Hid. We're back to hid. Okay, and remember, I think we had a new nursery rhyme yesterday, but we just had one line yesterday. Today we have two, so I'm going to say a line, you repeat. I'll say the next line, and you repeat. Jack be nimble. Jack be quick. Okay, and we'll learn more tomorrow.